Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Jobs in Telugu States. So today I am going to upload one more question paper, Library Information Science previous question paper conducted by SHAR, Satish Dhawan Space Center, SHAR located at AP Andhra Pradesh. This is ISRO organization, Indian Space Research Organization, for the post of library assistant. This is examination held on 2 years back. So viewers, those who are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe for more. Please click on bell icon for more question paper, more updates. Through my channel I am uploading national central government institutions in both the states, and now I am going to upload central government institutions contract jobs also through my channel. Please subscribe for more updates friends. Uh, so this month 14th, Vikram Sarabhai Space Center a librarian exam is going to be held. So in this view I am uploading ISRO question papers particularly. So first question I am going to explain. CRG stands for Classification Research Group. CRG means Classification Research Group. So option C is correct answer for first question. CRG, some more points I will explain. CRG is a classification research group. It is located UK, England, London, UK, London. CRG is a organization located at London, UK, in the established year 1952 friends. So I am explaining some more points related to question. It is very useful in future upcoming examinations also. So we go for next second question. Uniterm system was developed by. Second question, Uniterm indexing system developed by Mortimer Taube. This is a previous question. CRG also previous question. Basic question. Uniterm is developed by Mortimer Taube. So out of 4 options, option A is correct answer for second question. Option A correct answer. So G. Bhattacharya also, everyone knows Popsy Bhattacharya, Precis Derrick Austin. So through elimination also we can find out answers easily. So next third question friends. The concept of SDI, selective dissemination of information, SDI service concept given by IBM. So SD Luhan, Luhan is the right answer friends. Easy question and important previous question. SDI service given by Luhan. So out of 4 options, C is the correct answer for third question. So we will see the options. S.R. Ranganathan, everyone, polygamy of father of library science, everyone knows. Derrick Austin, Precis Derrick Austin, given by Precis, developed by Derrick Austin. So C is Luhan SDI service. Kaiser, systematic index Kaiser. So go through elimination. I am explaining some more points. Options related answers I am explaining. So third question right answer is SDI service by Luhan. C is the right answer. Next fourth question. Who is regarded as a father of bibliography? Who is regarded as a father of bibliography? Right answer is Konrad Genser. Konrad Genser is the right answer. So B is the right answer for fourth question. Next question number 5. The annual convention of InflibNet, Information Library Network, that is located, everyone knows, Gandhinagar. So annual convention of InflibNet organized to discuss progress of library automation. Right answer is Calibre. Calibre is the right answer. So fifth question, B is the correct answer. Calibre is the right answer. So B is the correct answer. Next sixth question, NACLIN, NACLIN, NACLIN is sponsored by Delnet. Right answer is A. Sixth question answer is Delnet. Sixth answer A is the correct answer. Delnet is the correct answer. Next we will go for question number 7. Seventh question, Bern Convention. Bern Convention is concerned with. So Bern Convention is held at 1886. So this is copyright related copyright. Some conventions is Bern Convention. So seventh question answer is right answer is D. D is the correct answer for seventh question. Next question number 8. Type of thread used in handbook binding. Which thread is used in handbook binding? So waxed linen is the right answer. Option B is the correct answer. waxed linen is the right answer for handbook binding. Best thread waxed linen. So B is the correct answer. Next question number 9. Which type of acid free adhesive is best for book binding? Here asking book binding, which acid is best for acid adhesive? So right answer is PVA, option D. Ninth question, right answer is D. Option D is the right answer for ninth question. Out of 4 options, option A PVC, option B is rubber cement, and option B is animal bond adhesive. So D is the right answer for ninth question. Next, 10th question. ISO 2018 standard is related to. This is a previous question. I already uploaded 8 question papers. So last 2 weeks onwards, I uploaded 8 question paper. So this question already repeated in the previous question papers. 10th question. ISO 2018 standard is related to International Standard Book Number, ISBN. So 10th right answer is C. Out of 4 options, C is the correct answer for 10th question. Next question number 11th. Bibliographic classification scheme introduced in the year. So bibliographic classification scheme is given by Bliss. Bliss bibliographic classification given by Bliss, scientist named Bliss. So this is introduced in the year 1935. Out of 4 options, C is the correct answer. So 1935 bibliographic classification scheme established year. So next question number 12th. ASCII how many codes? This is a previous question. 11th question also previous question. And 12th one, ASCII is how many codes? 256 is the right answer. 12th A is the correct answer. ASCII abbreviation, some examination ASCII defines abbreviation asking American Standard Code for Information Interchange. American Standard Code for Information Interchange is the right answer. ASCII have 256 codes. So 12th is the A correct answer. Next we will go for question number 13. Programming language exclusively used artificial intelligence in. Programming, which programming language is used artificial intelligence? This is important IT related question, programming related question. So Prolog is the right answer. 13th C is the right answer. In this question paper, most of the questions are previous questions, and some questions difficulty level is some innovative and application type questions asking in this paper. So Prolog programming language used in artificial intelligence. 13th question right answer is C. Next 14th question. PPBS in library science is related to. PPBS means planning, programming, budgeting system. Full name is planning, programming, budgeting system. So PPBS related to, everyone knows, budgeting. So out of 4 options, A given book selection, B budgeting, C library records, D is journals selection. So right answer is B budgeting. Next question number 15. RDA in library science related to. Everyone knows RDA is resource description access. Full name is resource description access is replace of AACR2. Some question papers question is asking like that. So this is also previous question, and RDA is replaced by AACR2. This is also previous question. Some examinations RDA defines means resource description access. This is also previous question. But in this paper, this question is asking another way, RDA in library science related to what? So this is under cataloging. So 15th D is the correct answer. Out of 4 options, D correct answer. Next question number 16th. CCF means everyone knows common communication format. It's a simple question. So CCF structure based on which ISO standard? So 4 ISO standards given. So this is also a previous question. 16th question. The structure of CCF, common communication format, based on ISO 2709 is the right answer. ISO 2709. Don't confuse friends. So please, out of 4 options are ISO 27 related. So 09 is the correct answer. So please see carefully and find the answers. 16th A is the correct answer, friends. Next question number 17. Theory of x and y related to. Theory of x and y is related to personal motivation. From this is a theory of McGregor, theory of x and y given by McGregor, friends. So B is the right answer. 17th B, personal motivation. This is a motivation management related question. Next, friends, 18th question, which commission recommended 10% of total college budget for development of library? This is previous and important question, friends. Which commission recommended 10% of total college budget? 10%, friends. So this is a Kothari commission, friends. This question already seen previous question papers I already uploaded. So we are also asking this, which commission recommended 6.5% total college budget. In that way asking the question, right answer is so Radhakrishnan Commission is the right answer, friends. 6.5 means Radhakrishnan Commission and 10% means Kothari Commission, friends. Don't confuse, friends. 18th one, B is the right answer. Next, 19th question, friends. Which of the libraries, which law of library science related to growth of the library? This is a basic, fundamental and important previous question, friends. Fifth law, everyone knows 5 laws of library science. Once again I will explain. First law, books for use, and second law is every reader is her book. Third law is every book its reader. Next, fourth law is save the time of the user. Next, reader, save the time of the reader. Next, fifth one is the library is growing organism. So which law of library science related to growth of the growth of the library means fifth law, friends. Fifth law, reading of books means fifth law, friends. Some more points I am explaining. In some examinations questions asking like weed out of the means weeding means unwanted books and damaged books removed from the library. That is nothing but the library collection going to be developed. So in the application method we can easily understand fifth law. Fifth law explain the weed out of the books belongs to library. Fifth law, friends. So in this way also questions asking some examinations. So sixth law is also given, every reader is her freedom, is given by Rettig, John Mitch Rettig is the given that statement. Sixth law of library, every reader is her freedom, is the sixth law, latest innovative law, that is latest one. So 19th answer is A. Fifth law is library is a growth of the library science, growth of the library explains in fifth law. Next, question number 20, friends. National Librarian Day celebrated on which date? Is important question, friends. Everyone knows Librarian Day is celebrated August 12th, friends. So out of 4 options, D is the correct answer for question number 20. September 12, 14th August, 14th September given options. So 12th August is the Librarian Day, friends. So 20th D is the correct answer. Next, question number 21, friends. Next question, friends. Papyrus was used writing material by Egyptians, friends. This is important question. Egyptians. So option D is the correct answer. Papyrus was used writing material. It's ancient writing material, friends. D is the correct answer. Egyptians. Next, question number 26. Indian patents on all areas published. This is previous question. This is already seen in Vikram Sarabhai Space Center and CCRS question paper, AIMS examination also. 26th question, Gazette of India part 3, B is the correct answer for question number 26. B is the correct answer. 27th question, the translation of data into secret code is called encryption. Translation of data into secret codes means that is called encryption. Encryption standard data translating data secret service encryption. The term is called encryption, friends. So 27A is the correct answer. Next, question number 28. Bibliography of bibliographies comes under which category of documents? Everyone knows the previous question, important question related to primary, secondary and tertiary resources. Each and every question paper primary, secondary, tertiary resources basis. Compulsory one question is coming. So in this question paper, territory resources belongs to bibliography comes under category of tertiary resources. 28th question, C is the right answer. Question number 29. In which of the following the term of truncation means? Truncation means is MLIC Master of Library Science in this related question. So search formulation, truncation nothing but search formulation, friends. This nothing but truncation used for when we are searching, go through some other topic and searching in Google, it's showing multiple records. By using truncation means some symbols, by using truncation the search formulation అంటే truncation means searching through limited records will be shows అంటే not unwanted records not showing, limited records అంటే whatever searching the users, so that related records will be showing through the search truncation process. So this is search formulation for question number 29th. Next question number 30. Question number 30, friends. The term of bibliophile refers to, the term of bibliophile refers to a book lover. Out of 4 options, D is the correct answer. Bibliophile means a book lover. Term bibliophile, book lover. So out of 4 options, D is the correct answer. Next question number 31. The joint program of IITs, Indian Institute of Technologies and Indian Institute of Science, IISc Bangalore, provide e-learning through online web and video courses in engineering, science and technology, known as what it is called. Right answer is 31 question. We will explain question once again. The joint program of IITs, IISc to provide e-learning through online web and video courses in engineering, science, technology, known as NEPTEL. That joint program NEPTEL is coordinated by IIT, IISc Bangalore. So NEPTEL conducting these video online courses on engineering, science and technology. These NEPTEL, when we go through NEPTEL website, we will find out science related classes and video classes, engineering related, technology oriented classes, video classes available, friends. This is very useful, friends, for undergraduate and postgraduate students also. What is the NEPTEL? NEPTEL means National Program on Technology Enhanced Learning. National Program on Technology Enhanced Learning, friends. So this is initiative by IIT and IIS, friends. 31 question, right answer C, friends. Next 32 question. First edition of ALA, American Library Association rules, ALA, first edition of ALA rules of standard cataloging was published in the year 1883 is the right answer. 32nd question, A is the correct answer. First edition of ALA rules standard cataloging for published as a cataloging name, ALA rules for standard cataloging, published in the year, that first edition is published in the year 1883. 32 A is the correct answer. 33 question, classification of internet based documents called, is a important question, friends. I uploaded since 8 question paper, friends. Out of 8, 5 question paper, this is a common question, friends. Very important classification of internet based. When the library students are competitive aspirants doing these type of questions, so in case mistake, they will eliminate from the exam, friends, because this is a repeated important question. That's why I am uploading these question papers. So by seeing these all question papers, what I understood, so each and every paper, at least out of 100 questions, at least 30 questions are previous question, friends. For example, 50 questions of out of 50 questions, any question examination conducted for 50 questions, out of 50 questions, 20-25 questions previous questions. My observation, that's why I am uploading this is my videos, very useful for library aspirants throughout the India. So 33 question, classification of internet based document is called ontology is the right answer. Archaeology option, go through elimination also, we can easily find out. Archaeology, study of ancient documents and ancient history, called archaeology. Ontology is a classification of internet based documents. Ontology, B is the right answer for 33 question. So next question number 34. Question number 34, friends. What is the unit of information? Everyone knows unit of information is a byte. out of 4 options. 34th question, A given ohm, B ampere, C is the byte, D is hertz. So options are not relevant to the unit of information, so you easily find out the answer. Unit of information, right answer is byte. Everyone knows smallest unit of information is, again I am explaining some more points related to 34th question, unit of information related questions. If in case smallest unit of information asking question in like that, so right answer is bit. Smallest information of the unit is called bit, friends. So here unit of information is byte, 4 bits called nibble. So friends, 34th correct answer is byte C. Next question number 35, fair use is the norm for determining the legality of the question. I will explain question once again. Fair use is the norm for determining the legality of photocopying entire book is the right answer B. This is some application and oriented. Fair use, everyone knows that is a copyright related one, fair use. So 35th right answer is B, photocopying of entire book. So somewhat difficult and different question, never seen before question papers. 36th question, friends. In computer science, the value of k is equals to 1024, friends. In computer terminology, this is computer related question. 36th question, right answer is A, 1024 is the right answer. K value is 1024, A is the right answer. Question number 36. 37th question, the term cyberspace given by William Gibson. So A is the correct answer, cyberspace, William Gibson. This is also previous question, important and computer related, IT related question. 37 right answer A. Next question number 38. Question number 38, Delivery of Books Act passed in the year 1954, friends. So this is important question, previous question. So many examinations we already seen. 38th B is the right answer, 1954 Delivery of Books Act. So next question, 39th question, first Indian Library of National Library of India. National Library of India located at Calcutta. Everyone knows India's largest library, National Library. So National Library is located at Calcutta. Earlier it is the Imperial Library. Who is the first Indian librarian? It is asking Indian librarian. Who is the India born librarian is the first for National Library of India? Right answer is both the answers in this question. So this is a little bit complicated. So B and D is the correct. B.S. Keshavan and Harinath D. These both are first Indian librarians. So both the options given. If in case B.S. Keshavan is given out of 4 options, so B is the correct answer. But otherwise D is Harinath D also, he was the first Indian librarian, National Library. So both options given separately. That's why B and D is the correct answers for question number 39. 40th question, the office of RGNIIM. This is the abbreviation, Rajiv Gandhi National Institute of Intellectual Property Management. Rajiv Gandhi National Institute of Intellectual Property Management office located where? Nagpur is the important question. So Nagpur. 40th question, B is the correct answer. Next 41 question, fragment and plan is associated with some country names given. Fragment and plan, everyone knows, is important question. America is the right answer, friends. 41 question, previous question. So A is the correct answer for question number 41. Question number 42, friends. 42nd question, which of information theory focuses on purpose of communication is to inform, instruct or motivate to the receiver? I will explain 42nd question once again. Which information theory focuses on purpose of communication is to inform, instruct and motivate the receiver? Eckhoff theory. Eckhoff theory is 4 theories given, friends. Eckhoff and Jovit and Weaver, Shannon Weaver theory, Shannon theory, Weaver theory. Out of 4, option A is the correct. Eckhoff theory is explained. Communication is to be inform, instruct and motivate the receiver. Purpose of communication. So 42nd question answer is Eckhoff theory A. 43rd question, literary variant of booklet. Literary variant is belong to library called classification. The term literary variant is given by Hulme. That is Hulme, E.W. Hulme is the right answer. So out of 4 options, so we can easily find out the answer. This is previous question, important question. Out of 4 options, we will see A. J.D. Brown. Everyone knows for J.D. Brown, very famous, and the Bliss for bibliographic classification. So next 43 question B is the Hulme given by Retrieve Harent is given by Hulmo. Next 44 question noise in information retrieval is due to this is a previous question, so many examination it is already seen. 44th question right answer redundant of information, redundant of informations. D is the right answer for 44th question noise. So next 45th question Damodaran committee, it is formed in 1971 for review of working polytechnic libraries. A is the right answer. 45th question A is the correct answer. Damodaran committee formed in the year 1970 for working review on working polytechnic libraries. So friends, this is important question friends. So 45th question A is the right answer. Next 46th question friends. 46th question the virus is a software program friends. Virus is a previous computer related question. 46th question out of 4 option A is the correct answer. Options are giving like that, like this software program, hardware, device, all of them. So simple question, software program. A is the right answer. 46th question. 47th question the first university to introduce MPhil and PhD in library information science in India. First university introduced, please see question carefully. First university introduced MPhil and PhD both in library information science in India. University of Delhi is the important, so B is the right answer. Previous question this one. So MPhil PhD both in library science first introduced by Delhi University friends in India, so Delhi is the right answer. 47th question B. Next 48th question libraries as a gateways to the knowledge, title document of which commission. One commission is formed, National Commission on National Knowledge, NKC, National Knowledge Commission on Libraries 2007. So friends, one more point, National Knowledge Commission chairman is Sam Pitroda, everyone knows earlier. Present I don't know, I think Sam Pitroda still continuing. So National Knowledge Commission on libraries formed in 2017. What is submitted one document? What is the title of document? So libraries as gateways to knowledge. So libraries are gateways to knowledge is the title document of National Knowledge Commission on 2017 report. So 48th C is the right answer. Next 49th question friends. Main use of self list is, the main use of self list is stack verification friends. Now 49th question A is the correct answer. Self list used for stack verification out of 4 options. A is correct answer. A stack verification, B cataloging, book selection, circulation. So A stack verification, self list is used. 50th question study serials exclusively used for researchers friends. Study serials university libraries we will see. Main uses study serials means research they are doing study on late hours also. Study serials exclusive for researchers and for his research process, collecting thesis and dissertation on collection data. So study serials very useful for researchers friends. 50th question C is the right answer. Question number 51 the withdrawal process of outdated books called weeding friends is important previous question. The withdraw process of outdated books. So nothing but is weeding friends, easy question friends. 51 D is the right answer. So weeding is related to 5th law of library science. One more point I am explaining. Weeding process related to which law of library science means 5th law of library science. Library is a growing organism. So 52nd question locks, LOCKOSS, lock software. Locos software is international community as well. Lot of locks abbreviation I am explaining. Lot of copies keep stuff safe. I think I am not sure. Please check through Google. Lot of copies keep safe. I think some one S is missing. So I'm not sure. Please check go through Google. Locks abbreviation. Lock software is a This is UGC net previous question, friends. Lock software is international community initiative by Stanford University, friends. B is the right answer. Stanford University. Lock software given by which university? Stanford University. Say one international community, friend. Next question number 53, friends. Question number 53. The PRECIS and PROPSI are examples of which indexing model, friends? Everyone knows PRECIS, Preserved Context Indexing System, POPSI, PRECIS Derek Austin given, POPSI G Bhattacharya. Both are pre-coordinating indexing systems, and post-coordinating indexing I am going to explain. Uniterm indexing is the post-coordinating indexing system. Chaining indexing also under belongs to pre-coordinating system. So PRECIS and POPSI, in this question PRECIS and POPSI are examples of which indexing system? A is the correct answer. 53rd question, A, pre-coordinating indexing. For example, for post-coordinating I am giving one example, uniterm indexing post. So 53A right answer. 54th question, first Indian state enacted public library. Simple, important, basic, repeated question. Tamil Nadu enacted 1948. First Indian state enact the library, Public Library Act 1948. Tamil Nadu is the right answer. 54C right answer. 55, pamphlets provide which type of information? Current info. Pamphlets we are seeing any coaching centers or any we are going anywhere, there's one person's and persons spreading circulating this pamphlets means what is going our through our institution explain. So current information, nothing but I am explaining application type. Current information, pamphlets provides always current information. So 55th 55 question number C is the right answer. 56th, a small circle in gold used as a part of books decoration is called roundlet. So B is the right answer. 56th question, I will explain question once again. A small circle in gold color, a small circle in gold used as a part of books decoration is called roundlet. So 56th B is the right answer. 57th question, which RFID component is attached to book for identification? Book RFID, radio frequency identification detection, identity detection, radio frequency identity detection is rich process. Tags, some tag is keep it book inside, some tags are keep when the users are అంటే discharge అంటే without issuing book, when users is going out the give some sirens. So this RFID technology is a very costly, expensive one. Very big libraries and costly libraries, university libraries are using RFID technology. Recent initiative RFID, radio frequency identity detection. So this component RFID component is attached to book for identification through tag. So antenna also part of RFID. So through tag we will find out the book for identification. Tag, C is the right answer for 57th question. C right answer, tag. 58th question, open journal system is example of which of the following open access model? So open journal system is example of open access. So many models are there: green, gold, red, platinum. So these are our open access models. So open journal system, which type of open access model is platinum model? 58th D is the right answer. 58th D right answer. Next question number 59, which of the following is a measure of dispersion? Root, mean, square deviation. 59th question, these are remaining mean, mode, median, geometric mean. These are measures of central tendency. So which of the following is measure of dispersion? Person means root, mean, square deviation. So D is the right answer for 59th question. Out of 4 options, D correct answer. Next 60th question, this is the last question in this question paper. This question paper have 60 questions. So this is the now last question. Identification of an article and paging of for full text is known as identification of an e-article, electronic article, and paging for full text known as pay-per-view. A is the correct answer. Pay-per-view is the right answer for question number 60. Out of 4 option, A correct answer. 60th question, A, pay-per-view. So friends, this question paper, sharp library assistant question paper held 2018, friends. So this question paper given 60 question. In this question paper, I missed one page. I think 5 questions are missing, friends. I think 21 to 24. I think 4 5 questions missing. Uh, so remaining 60 questions I explained in this video. So friends, those who are my watching my YouTube channel, please subscribe, friends. Please forward this question paper to your professional groups, also very useful for competitive examinations. This question paper specially why I am going to upload this examination, VBS Vikram Sarabhai Space Center a library examination going to be held this month July 14th. So that is also in that part I am going to upload this paper. It's very useful for those who are going to appear that examination. Please subscribe, friends. Wish you all the best and thank you.